In this demo, we will show how to configure an Anybus X-gateway to enable communication between two different industrial networks. The Anybus X-gateway can connect any combination of the major industrial networks, but in this demo, we're using the example of a factory floor with two separate networks, DeviceNet and PROFIBUS. This example shows slave-to-slave communication. I've connected the two networks to my Anybus X-gateway. The gateway is also connected to my PC via the USB cable included in my product package. The default setting for the gateway is 20 bytes going in and out from each network. If this is okay for me, I will not have to do any configuration at all. I simply power up the X-gateway and the two networks are able to communicate. For the sake of this demo, I want to change the transferred bytes to 10 bytes going out from DeviceNet and into PROFIBUS, and 6 bytes going out from PROFIBUS into DeviceNet. To create this configuration, I have downloaded the Anybus Configuration Manager from Anybus.com. I open the Configuration Manager on my computer. I first need to select my COM port, which I do by selecting Online and Select Connection. Here I can click Config to choose which COM port to use. In this case, I see that my Anybus X-gateway is at COM port 10. I select this and click OK. I can now click Connect and upload configuration from device. The configuration is now uploaded from the gateway to the Configuration Manager, and I can see that DeviceNet and PROFIBUS have been applied to this configuration. I will now start to edit this project. I enter some background information such as project name, creator, version and description. Under X-gateway, I can select if I want my gateway to reboot after disconnection or not. Under DeviceNet slave, I can change the input and output data sizes. For the sake of this demo, I changed the input data size to 6 and the output data to 10 as we specified earlier. I can also change other values here such as parameter data, offline option and control and status word, but for this demo we'll leave these unchanged. I do the corresponding thing on the PROFIBUS side. I change the input data to 10 and the output data to 6. This is all I need to do to change the amount of transfer data. I can now click Download and the configuration will be applied to the gateway and the two networks. After the X-gateway has rebooted, I click Disconnect and I'm done. The two networks are now able to communicate using the Anybus X-gateway as a translator.